Yo, it's a struggle, you know. Every day, you have to renew your mind. Try to stay grounded in the word. Because everything around you is set up to distract you. Just draw closer to God, you know. Hear me, I say now.
Everybody just want live in a this spotlight. Every diamond for me name, not for highlight. My focus is to try to live my life right. On this a journey for my lamp off to stay bright. Feeling yourself cause it's all about forget mine. Snapchat, Facebook, so them I spend them time checking on Facebook. Me if you wonder if I show time. Selfie, everybody want live this style life. Acting for the camera so you don't know who them are. Everybody want a piece straight from the cookie jar. Dress up in a name just to make some people envy. Pretending to be rich but the bank book empty. Looking for the lights, yes them want that plenty. Humble, stay up on my knees like Kaepernick. To oh my call the father, them I wonder if me Catholic. Use up the scripture, clean my heart like a Kabbalic. Got to get my mind right, got to get my mind right. Father please help me just keep me mind right. Got to get my mind right, got to get my mind right. Got to get my mind right. Got to get my mind right, got to get my mind right. Father please help me every day, it's a new fight. Got to get my mind right, got to get my mind right. Got to get my mind right. Social media quick to call you the idiot. Anything you want, yo, we got that thriller. Swear says nice, but it's really Godzilla. Take your life faster than a serial killer. And all of your time, yes, it want that. And when morning come, yo, I hit that. And anything you're posting, don't forget that. So mind what you do on your laptop. You say AA meetings for alcoholics. I know the attack, them better don't sip. So here's to the people who have to post all them biz. I know the attack, them ever don't miss. You addicted to SM, so tell me what it is. Wonder when the world a turn one nation. Internet to make it one station. Rapture, find your location. Solution, Jesus. Got to get my mind right, got to get my mind right. Father please help me just keep me mind right. Got to get my mind right, got to get my mind right. Got to get my mind right. Got to get my mind right, got to get my mind right. Father please help me every day, it's a new fight. Got to get my mind right, got to get my mind right. Got to get my mind right.
Serve God, kill the flesh on sight, and try not to do the things that he don't like. I'm trying my best not to mess up like a storm night. I'm under pressure cause it's reggae but I'm alright. On my intentions, been in the right place. I just make the wrong turn. Tell me when I'm gonna learn. There's two type of Christians in the world. There's the one with struggle and the one will live a double life. Can't trust them like a blade with a double side. Them will go beside you and make you feel like the worst sinner. Perfect on the surface but it's more like the church version of